Welcome to beautiful Paris, the city of lights, romance, history, and timeless architecture. Today, we are exploring one of the most iconic landmarks in all of France, the magnificent Arc de Triomphe. From breathtaking aerial views to stunning daytime scenes, magical night lights, and mesmerizing time-lapse moments, this video takes you on a complete cinematic journey around one of Paris' greatest monuments. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this unforgettable exploration of the Arc de Triomphe. As the drone slowly rises above the streets of Paris, the massive Arc de Triomphe comes into view, standing proudly at the center of Place Charles de Gaulle. Built in the early 19th century by order of Napoleon Bonaparte, this incredible monument was designed to honor the brave soldiers who fought for France. At nearly 50 meters tall, the Arc de Triomphe dominates the skyline with its grand architecture and detailed sculptures carved into every side. From above, you can truly appreciate the perfect symmetry of this historic monument and the famous 12 avenues radiating outward like a giant star around it. The aerial daytime views reveal the vibrant energy of Paris. Cars move gracefully around the roundabout, tourists gather below, and the city stretches endlessly into the distance. The famous Champs-Élysées Avenue extends, straight from the Arc de Triomphe, toward the heart of Paris, creating one of the most recognizable urban views in the world. As sunlight reflects off the elegant Parisian buildings, the entire city feels alive with beauty and history. Now the camera glides closer to the monument, revealing the incredible artistic details. Massive stone sculptures decorate the arches, each telling stories of courage, victory, sacrifice, and national pride. The most famous sculpture, La Marseillaise, captures the spirit of the French Revolution with dramatic emotion and movement. Every carving on the Arc de Triomphe represents an important moment in French military history. Beneath the monument lies the tomb of the unknown soldier, a powerful tribute to the soldiers who lost their lives during World War I. An eternal flame burns continuously here, symbolizing remembrance and respect. Visitors from around the world come to this sacred place to honor history and experience the emotional atmosphere surrounding the monument. As the daytime scenes continue, the drone captures sweeping panoramic views across Paris. From the top of the Arc de Triomphe, the city looks absolutely breathtaking. You can see famous landmarks in every direction, including the distant silhouette of the Eiffel Tower rising above the skyline. The geometry of Paris becomes even more impressive from above. Wide boulevards, elegant rooftops, green gardens, and historic architecture create a perfect balance between urban beauty and timeless design. The movement of traffic around the Arc creates an almost hypnotic rhythm, especially when viewed from directly overhead. This roundabout is one of the busiest in Europe, yet from above it feels strangely artistic and organized. Now the golden hour begins. The warm evening sunlight slowly transforms Paris into a glowing masterpiece. Soft orange colors spread across the city as the sun begins to set behind the horizon. The Arc de Triomphe shines beautifully under the fading daylight. This is one of the most magical moments to experience Paris. The time-lapse footage now reveals the changing rhythm of the city. Clouds drift quickly across the sky. Traffic streams endlessly around the monument. The lights of Paris slowly begin to appear one by one. As darkness approaches, the atmosphere becomes even more cinematic. And now, Paris at night. The Arc de Triomphe transforms into a glowing monument of light and elegance. Golden illumination highlights every detail of the architecture, making the monument look even more majestic against the dark evening sky. The aerial night views are absolutely stunning. The streets surrounding the Arc sparkle with headlights and city lights stretching into the distance. The Champs-Élysées glows brilliantly, creating one of the most iconic nighttime scenes in the world. From above, Paris truly earns its nickname the City of Lights. The time-lapse sequences become even more mesmerizing at night. Streams of moving traffic create beautiful light trails circling endlessly around the Arc de Triomphe. The city never sleeps. people continue walking through the streets, enjoying cafes, restaurants, shopping, and the romantic Parisian atmosphere. Every second feels alive with energy and beauty. As the drone rises higher above the monument, the scale of Paris becomes truly unforgettable. Historic avenues stretch endlessly toward the horizon. Elegant buildings line every street with classic French architecture. The Arc de Triomphe stands proudly at the center of it all, connecting history, culture, and modern Paris together in one incredible location. This monument is more than just a tourist attraction. It represents the spirit of France, the memories of history, and the timeless beauty of Paris. Whether viewed during the day, at sunset, or illuminated at night, the Arc de Triomphe remains one of the greatest landmarks in the world. Thank you for joining this cinematic journey through Paris and the incredible Arc de Triomphe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing travel experiences from around the world. Which view did you love the most, the daytime aerial scenes, the golden sunset, or the stunning Paris nightlights? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep traveling, and keep discovering the beauty of our world.